Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a lot to unpack in this video here. We're going to be talking about our main subject, my ultimate weapons here on cleaning laser engravers here. You've seen a video prior to this, which brings me to my other topic here of something new. So the something new is I created a second channel called Midlife Chaos. It's got this channel logo right here. If you're interested in checking that out, I'll put a link down in the description below for that. It's basically about my life outside of laser engraving, talking about health and having fun and reviewing other cool items outside of laser engraving. So if you're into that, I'd love to have you over there. When I talk about health, let me show you the previous video I did on this. I looked like this right here, and then I lost all the weight, and this is how I look now. So hopefully I look a little bit less. It's about 100 pounds less. So if you want to learn about my weight loss journey in that as well, so that's what the second video is going to be about in that second channel here. So check that out. If you're not into that, stick around for just my laser engraving stuff. I'd appreciate it either way if you follow me on both. But with all that said, we're going to jump in and we're going to kind of recreate that video. But this time I'm including these little Zeets wipes. I think that's how it's pronounced. If you don't know what these are basically like laser lens cleaners. That's what I use it for. It's basically for glasses or camera lenses originally. This is actually a recommended one from Glowforge. So I've been using this ever since my very first laser, which was a Glowforge Basic. And these things are awesome. I use them on all my lasers now. Never had an issue with them. They're actually on sale right now on Amazon, super cheap. I think you get 400 for like 12 bucks, or this 200 pack here for like $8 or $9 right now. But that will go up or down depending on when you're watching this video. I'll put some affiliate links down in the description below for those, but definitely get one of these if you need to clean your laser lenses. So I definitely recommend that. I also use this on the laser tube itself. Just because I don't really want to use simple green on that. I know it's not going to hurt anything, but I use this on the tube and the lenses here. Now, with that said, simple green is awesome too. I use this every day outside of laser engraving. I use this on my counters for like degreasing stuff. This thing is awesome for everyday cleaning. Even like upholstery work, this works really well on. My dad's an upholstery shop owner, and we use it on some like leather products and those types of things. It never really fades or anything that I've seen. Overall, this thing is awesome. It's concentrated, so you can get multiple uses out of this type of stuff here. But if you want an easy solution, they have this already pre-soaked in these little cloths here. You just pull them out in sheets. So you have that option too. This I use on all the metal parts of my machine. Some people say that this can cause pitting over time if it doesn't get like ventilation or something. But I've been using this for almost 8 years now on my Glowforge. I have no pitting or rust on my Glowforge at all. You just got to make sure that you wipe it off right away with like a clean paper towel or a microfiber cloth. Just don't let it soak there, obviously. Then you're going to get rust no matter what if you have any kind of liquid in your machine just sitting on metal. But overall, these are my super secret products here that I use to clean all my laser engravers. Let me know if you guys use this. I know a lot of people use the LA Awesome as well. I personally have never used that just because I've had this for so many years, even before my laser engraver here, and it's worked plenty good for me. And then I can get so many reuses out of this. Like I could fill this whole bottle up still because it's so concentrated, and then I could get another free bottle just like that. But the LA Awesome stuff looks awesome as well, so you can do that as well. I think you get that from Dollar Tree, so you can check that out too. If I can find that, I'll put that down in the description below too if you prefer that over simple green. But if you guys have any questions about cleaning your machines, or about these products here, let me know. I'm also working on some big things in the background, so expect some more videos here soon, both on this channel and that brand new channel. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate you guys for always sticking around, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.